Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I get repeatedly from users is about Windows 12. And do you think a Windows 12 operating system is something that's going to happen soon? And what I think personally, and I look at what's happening. I've actually read a couple of articles that were written in the last few weeks, one in PC Magazine and another one, I think it was Windows latest, where they of course speculate on, where could we see hints of a Windows 12 operating system coming to our PCs. When could it happen? Everybody agrees upon one thing: is there is a Windows 12 or whatever they're going to call it, for sure at some point in the near future. But that near future is how near exactly? This year we're going to be at 5 years of Windows 11. That's usually the half point in the cycle of a Windows operating system, as Microsoft usually gives 10 years of updates. So that means it's halfway through. Since Windows Vista, we've been having a new Windows version roughly every 3 years, except when Windows 10 arrived, it took 6 years for Windows 11 to arrive. We're at 5 years of Windows 11. If you would follow the same cycle, another 6 years, that would bring us then to 2027, which means next year would be the year of a new Windows. And a few things might hint why it could be better for their release of a new Windows next year. First of all, the amount of things they have to take care of. There's Copilot+PCs, that is its own thing. This will have its own update, 26H1. Then our regular Windows x64 machines will get the 26H2, which will be our update for the Windows. So that is even though it's still Windows 11, it's kind of two windows to take care of. Then you have the Windows 10 that is still being, given an extra year for support. So it makes three things to take care of, which points to me that this year is not the year because there's too much going on. But 2027, it might be the year. And a lot of people agree on that, although some people think this year could be the thing too. Now, another reason why 2027 would be the year is the Windows 12 operating system. I've seen a surprisingly high amount of experts say that what they see in Windows 12 is a Copilot+PC only operating system, meaning Windows 12 will not work on the actual x64 machines we have, which means that those that have old machines like we do will be continuing our journey through Windows 11, and or some with Windows 10, maybe with zero patch, things like that. But it might require a whole new machine. If you thought minimum requirements were something on Windows 11, it's nothing compared to the minimum requirements that Windows 12 would want to have, because it will be really running on Copilot+PCs, and a lot of people think that would be the case. And that would make it more logical to wait until at the end of 2027, for example, for that. This is going to give almost 2 years for Copilot+PCs to get more and more popular. And we'll see if, of course, they do get more popular. So there's a lot of speculations like that. There are still some people thinking this year could be the year. But I think most of us are starting to think that it might be 2027. But you know what? Windows 11 arrived in a very quick way. It arrived as a surprise, and it was there. Who knows what could be happening with Microsoft? So all bets are open. If you want to bet in the comments below. You can type 2026 or 2027 or whatever year you think is going to come out. And we'll examine who thinks what year Windows 12 or whatever name it's going to have will come out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.